Since decades ago, Asian and European countries have been competing to achieve the best high-speed railway networks in the world. It was first introduced in Japan, with the first Shinkansen train. A new era in transportation began in 1964, and then the new revolutionary means of transport appeared in Europe. The current fastest train we have ever built is the Shinkansen L0 series, which was able to reach an absolute speed of 603 km per hour, but it will be years before we can see it in active operation. In today's video, we're going to look at the 10 fastest operational high-speed trains in the world, in the year of 2024. Number 10. KTX-1 and KTX Sancheon. Korea Train Express, also known as KTX, is South Korea's high-speed railway network, operated by KORAIL, the national railway operator of South Korea. The railway service started in 2004 is based on two train types, KTX-1 and KTX Sancheon. The KTX-1 is based on the Francis TGV technology and developed by Alstom Hyundai Rotem. Created by Hyundai Rotem, the KTX Sancheon is an upgraded version of the KTX-1, which has been in service since 2010. The new type is much more energy efficient, faster and has a more modern design. The operating speed of the KTX-1 is 305 km per hour, but it can operate at a speed up to 330 km per hour. The KTX Sancheon can go at the same speed as the KTX-1. In 2013, a KTX-1 set a speed record when it exceeded an absolute 421 km per hour, making South Korea the fourth country after Japan. Number 9. Talgo 350. Nicknamed Pato in Spanish, because its nose is remembered to a beak of a duck, the Talgo 350 is a high-speed train in Spain and Saudi Arabia manufactured by Talgo and based on Bombardier transport technology. The train is based on push-pull technology and can be equipped with up to 12 passenger cars. The Talgo 350 guarantees a stable, quiet and smooth travel experience. AV is mainly used within Spain. The train can cover the distance from Barcelona to Madrid in just a few hours. In October 2018, Talgo provides a high-speed fleet for the railway line between Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia, called Haramain High-Speed Railway. Trains traveling on this route require higher technological equipment, one of which is a special sand filter, which had to be installed due to the railway running entirely through the desert. Talgo 350 trains can reach speeds of up to 350 km per hour, but are only operated at 300 km per hour due to limited railways in Spain and Saudi Arabia. Number 8. TGV Euroduplex. Part of France's high-speed rail service, the TGV Euroduplex is a high-speed train model that operates in France and Morocco. Entered into service in 2011, the Euroduplex family, developed by Alstom, is a fully double-decker train type capable of providing a better travel experience than other types, capable of accommodating 40 more passengers than a single-decker train of the same length. The trains are not only used on high-speed railways in France, but also travel to other countries such as Spain, Switzerland, Germany or Luxembourg. The speed of the trains can reach up to 320 km per hour during the journey. Another version of the Euroduplex family operates in Morocco, making it the first high-speed railway on the African continent. Train speeds on the Tanger-Rabat line can reach up to 300 km per hour, despite the fact that the trains are designed for a speed of 350 km per hour. In April 2007, a modified French POS-type train set a world record when its speed exceeded 570 km per hour, the fastest speed achieved by a conventional train to date. Number 7. Shinkansen N700 family. Japan's high-speed rail network, the Shinkansen, is one of the fastest rail lines in the world, running between Tokyo and Osaka. The latest version of the N700 series is the N700S, which entered service in 2020 and is equipped with newer features such as automatic control and braking systems, as well as a lithium-ion battery self-driving system that allows the train to run autonomously for longer distances in the event of a power outage. The train is equipped with various anti-vibration systems due to the earthquakes that regularly occur on the island. The train is designed for a speed of 360 km per hour, but they are only operated at 300 km per hour. Currently, Japan is the sole operator due to the fact that it was developed for the island nation's rail requirements, but the Texas High-Speed Rail line announced in 2022 between Dallas and Houston intends to use the N700S series when it is completed by 2030. Another future operator could be Taiwan, where it is planned to expand the current network and introduce new types of trains into service. Number 6. Italo AGV 575. Europe's first privately owned rail operator, Italo, is an Italian railway company that provides high-speed rail services in the country. One such train running on the network is the AGV 575, a high-speed train model developed by Alstom with 7 to 14 cars. It has a special drive system distributed throughout the train, where traditional locomotive technology is incorporated. This allows the train to accommodate more passengers, and the train's joints allow most of the vibration to be absorbed between the cars. The model offers a wide range of financial benefits. For example, it can consume up to 15 to 30% less energy thanks to its aerodynamic design. The interior of the trains is divided into 4 classes, which allow passengers to travel comfortably in different premium classes, with Wi-Fi internet service, television screens, drinks and food, and comfortable legroom. The trains can reach a speed of up to 360 km per hour. But they are only operated at a speed of 300 km due to the limited position of the railway network. Number 5. Shinkansen E5, E6 and H5. Japan's bullet train service, the Northern Tohoku Shinkansen line, is a high-speed rail service operated by the East Japan Railway Company. It started operating in 2011 and is Japan's longest and fastest railway line. 3 trains of the same length and characteristics operate on the route. The E5 and H5 series have the same design, only the color of the 2 trains differs. The stripe on the side of the train is lavender in both. The third version is the E6 series, which is red in color and operates a small extension in the first row. The trains were manufactured by Kawasaki and Hitachi Rail, and the development is based on the high-speed trains of the past. For example, their 15-meter noses help create momentum when trains enter the tunnel at high speed. The trains would be able to reach a maximum speed of 360 km per hour, but are only operated at 320 km per hour, making it the fastest rail service in Japan. Number 4. Zefiro V300. It is a high-speed railway model produced by Bombardier Transportation, designed primarily for Italian tracks. Entered into service in 2015, the Zefiro V300, the world's first high-speed train model to obtain certification, the designers paid special attention to environmental protection, taking into account carbon dioxide emissions, as well as the train's 85% recyclability. Another important consideration when designing the train was noise and vibration reduction. In terms of its interior, Italo offers services in 4 classes. The passenger compartment is elegant, spacious, with ergonomic seats and a noise-reduced cabin. The speed of the trains can reach up to 360 km per hour, but they are only operated at 300 km per hour. It currently operates only in Italy, but in the future it may even appear in Spain and other European countries, as it was primarily designed for the continent's high-speed infrastructure. Number 3. Hexi Hao, CRH 380A, B, C and D. Designed for China's high-speed tracks, the Hexi is a unique model railway operated by China Railways based on foreign technology. There are 4 series of trains manufactured to operate on newly built Chinese high-speed lines. The CRH 380A, the only one not based on a foreign design, is mostly based on Shinkansen technology. The other series is the CRH 380B, which is the Siemens Velaro, so we'll discuss that later. The CRH 380C, a master-designed CRH 380B with a new nose and electrical equipment by Hitachi. And the CRH 380D, a train launched by Bombardier based on Zefiro technology. All trains were built abroad and then manufactured in China with modifications. All 4 series have a maximum speed of 380 km per hour and are operated at a speed of 300 km per hour on China's high-speed rail routes. The Hexi series is a good example and a step forward for the Asian country to be able to develop more efficient and faster models with its own resources and unique technology in the future. Number 2. Siemens Velaro. The world-renowned high-speed train model of Germany's Siemens, the Velaro family, is one of the most popular high-speed train models. It is available in several versions equipped with the same specifications, only used in different conditions and speeds for each nation. Spain was its first operator. The Vilaro Renfe operates on Spain's high-speed railway lines alongside the Toledo 350. The railway model provides a new innovation for the country. For example, it covers the distance from Barcelona to Madrid in just 2.5 hours. And it can operate at up to 310 km per hour. Another operator is Eurostar, which operates tunnel-compliant trains under the English Channel from London to Amsterdam, Paris, and Brussels. With an output of 16,000 kilowatts, the trains can operate at a speed of up to 320 km per hour and can transport up to 950 people. The Vilaro D is a version made for Germany's intercity express high-speed trains, and with a speed of 320 km per hour, it can innovatively serve the country's high-speed rail lines. Currently, however, it operates only within Germany and to a few neighboring countries, such as France or Austria, but in the future they also intend to operate it in Switzerland and Hungary. The Turkish Vilaro, a railway model developed for the Turkish National Railway, provides a better alternative transport for the Asian country than. Although the country's railway tracks are limited and are under development and expansion, they will soon be available to other Turkish cities, but they are currently only operated at 300 km per hour. The Russian Vilaro operates on Russia's high-speed railways between Moscow and St. Petersburg, and is able to withstand relatively cold winters and the harsh weather conditions of the country. For this reason, they can only be operated at a speed of 250 km per hour, but the distance between the two Russian cities is still shortened. The previously mentioned Chinese Vilaro, mostly known only as CRH-380B, is China's modified Vilaro, which serves certain lines of China's high-speed railway networks, with an operating speed of up to 350 km per hour. Another Chinese version is the Krehek, which is similar to the Spanish Vilaro E, only with modifications and a much smaller cabin compared to other operators, but with a speed of 300 km per hour, it is much slower than the CRH-300B. Siemens must have developed a type of train that was operated in many places around the world. Its maximum speed was 360 km per hour, and its record was 403 km per hour without modifications, which at the time was a world record among real trains with conventional wheels without modifications. Number 1. Fuxinghao, CR400 Offen BF. As you may have heard many times, China is at the forefront of high-speed railways, with their 42,000-kilometer high-speed network currently leading the world. Adequate trains are needed for a more efficient and innovative service than for other modes of transport, such as aviation. And Fuxing, developed by China, can represent such an alternative, which ensures that they are also world leaders in terms of speed. Fuxinghao, which was introduced in 2017 and operated primarily on the world's busiest railway line between Shanghai and Beijing, began a new era in China's high-speed railway history. The trains are elegant and sleek, and are available in two designs, the CR400 Off nicknamed the Blue and Red Dolphins and the gold-looking CR400BF. Fuxinghao is currently the fastest conventional wheeled high-speed train, with an operating speed of 350 km per hour and a maximum speed of 400 km per hour, leading the world in both areas. China holds another record with the maglev train running between downtown Shanghai and the airport, which is the fastest train in the world, traveling at a speed of 431 km per hour, but it can also reach an absolute 500 km per hour, as well as the world record 603 km per hour L0 series maglev developed in Japan, which will provide the world's fastest high-speed rail service between Tokyo and Nagoya in 2027.